Hey, good morning YouTube. It's Bert with GreensThings. Welcome back. This morning I just want to do a review of the test box. This is a monthly subscription, $39.99, and it's always very promising to see the things that you get each month. This is actually the third box that I've received. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. So first thing you get here is pretty awesome. You get a little thank you card. Folks, I apologize for probably got some background noise from my central heat and air unit. Hope it's not overbearing. Hope you can hear me just fine this morning. By the way, I hope everybody's doing great. It's Saturday morning. Got a little bag. Can put all your stuff in. I'll probably use this for a grocery bag. That way I can save on, I won't need to use plastic or paper, which is great for the environment. This is pretty cool. Next we got a microfiber towel. Really nice. Really good size as well. And we actually have two towels. That's awesome. I love these. These are excellent for washing the car. We got a little brush here for brushing off the seats. Got a little leather strap with it. This is pretty cool. And you got a wash mitt. That's great. These are great items right here for washing a car. Then you got a water container, a spray bottle. It's great. Can spray. Use this. You can put on, spray some wax, or if you just want to take it with you, you could fill this up with water or some of your any type of cleaner that you use. Bring that along with you. You got a towel. So it looks like this month is all about washing your car, which in order to keep it protected, keep it looking good, so that it'll last for a long time, you want to make sure to wash your vehicle. All right, put everything back here. So this is the, like I said before, this is the third box that I got from Test Box, and I really feel like, you know, to me, this is worth $39.99, $40. This is probably, this brush right here, if I had to guess, this is probably about, I don't know, probably at least $20 right here. And these towels, these probably go for $4 or $5 each. I know you can get a whole pack for probably $10. But these are really thick, guys. Really thick. Just gotta, let's see right here. So these towels are from Chemical Guys. So if you look it up on, you know, Google Chemical Guys, and I would have to say these towels are probably, my best guess is about probably 2 feet wide. No, probably about 1 foot wide. Roughly 1 foot by 2 foot probably. That's probably the dimensions. I don't think it has the dimensions on here. Nope. But it's microfiber. It says 70% polyester, 30% polyamide, whatever that is. Made in China, but you know, we get a lot of great stuff that's made in China. I mean, I like stuff made in the USA as well. But yeah, these are great. So I would value these towels about at least $5 each. Let me know in the comments, guys. Let me know what you think. Do you think this stuff is worth $39.99? There's different stuff every month. You know, I've got some other things before that I was kind of like, I don't know if it's worth that much. But this wash mitt, you know, this is probably at least $5. So if I value this at 20, right? And this, I value this. It's very nice. I'm very appreciative for them saying thank you like this and stuff. And of course they've got, you know, right here's their Instagram, testbox.shop, and then hashtag in Elon we trust. Pretty cool, right? This right here, folks, you can get this. You can get a water. You can get a squirt bottle at the dollar store. So this, I value this at $1. Okay, and 20. So that's 21. This about $5. That's 26. You know, this little bag right here, probably value this at a couple dollars. I'll say $3. So that's 29, maybe 30, and these at $5 each. So that's about 40 bucks. So, you know, kind of borderline, but hey, it's pretty nice. You know, some people will value this less. Maybe others will value this more. So there it is, folks. Thanks for stopping by. Hope you have a wonderful day. And I appreciate you viewing the channel. If you want to see more content like this, go ahead, like, follow, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And you have a great day.